Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a mythic easily in Toilet Tower Defense, but it doesn't work all the time. So, first thing you gotta do, wait, I'm loading into the game. So guys, I tried this trick like yesterday and I actually got a mythic, which if you guys can see, Shadow TV Man, I got that from Mythic Rate. And how I did it is, this is just gonna be a short video of me showing you guys how to get a mythic, but doesn't work all the time. So first, I don't really, I don't really have the, I don't I'm not really good at grinding. So what you wanna do is, I have a luck boost. That's why it's 3. You wanna save up for summon 10 mythic rate. Don't buy it when you have enough. Go to the shop, scroll down to the luck boost, and go in the mythic crate and just summon 10 and then you can get a mythic there. So there's also another harder method though. You can go to the basic crate, grind a lot of coins here, probably like the same amount here, and then just buy a bunch of summon, turn on your luck boost, buy a bunch of, but it's harder though. So yeah, that's prop that's literally it of the video. It's pretty short, 1 minute long or 2 minutes long. You can do this by grinding for coins. And yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button on this video, because yeah, that's it. That's pretty short. So bye guys, Padumski out, peace out.